Enabling parental controls on Apple TV Plus is essential for managing what content your children can access. Follow these steps to set up parental controls effectively. Step 1. Access Settings. Open the Apple TV app on your device. Navigate to the Settings option, which is usually found in a main menu or under your profile. Step 2. Select Users and Accounts. In the Settings menu, find and select Users and Accounts. This section allows you to manage different user profiles and their settings. Step 3. Choose your profile. Select the profile for which you want to enable parental controls. If you don't have a child-specific profile, consider creating one to apply restrictions effectively. Step 4. Set Content Restrictions. Within the selected profile, look for Content Restrictions. Here you can set limits on movies, TV shows, and other content based on age ratings. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting the content restrictions to your preference, make sure to save your changes. Exit the settings and the parental controls will be applied to the selected profile. Now you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your children are only accessing age-appropriate content on Apple TV+.